Good morning, students. Today I will be discussing types and patterns of rural settlement. Now, types of a rural settlement is determined by the physical distance between two settlements. It means the distance between two settlements determine the types of the settlement. Accordingly, there are four types of settlements, which I will show you now. First, we have compact settlement. In compact settlement, the distance between two settlements is very less. That is, they are very close to each other. This is known as compact or nucleated type of settlement. Now, if the settlements are neither too far away nor very close to each other, then it is a semi-compact or semi-nucleated type of settlement. Thirdly, if the settlements are very far away from each other, then we get the dispersed or scattered type of settlement. So this is compact, this is semi-compact, this is dispersed, and the fourth one is the isolated settlement. This type of settlements are found mainly in the hilly region or in a forested region. Suppose in a hilly region you have only one settlement along the valley slope, or maybe it's a forested region. Within a forest you have only one settlement, then it is an isolated type of settlement. So depending upon the distance between two settlements, we can determine the types of settlement. There are four types: compact, semi-compact, dispersed and isolated. Now I will discuss the patterns of settlement. What do we mean by patterns of settlement? In the patterns of settlement, this is determined by the geometrical shape of the settlement. That is the top view. Suppose whether this room is a perfect square or a rectangle, I won't be able to understand by seeing it from the ground. মাটি থেকে দেখে আমি বুঝতে পারবো না যেটা perfect square না একটা rectangle. But if I see it from the top, bird's eye view থেকে যদি দেখি, তাহলে আমি বুঝতে পারবো যেটা rectangle না square. Similarly, in order to determine the pattern of settlement, we have to get the top view, and thus we will get the geometrical shape. Accordingly, there are X-shaped settlement. If the settlements are formed along the roads, then it's an X-shaped settlement. Suppose there is a T junction, it may be a road or a river, anything, and the settlements have developed on either side of the road or the river, then it's a T-shaped. Then we can have L-shaped, Y-shaped. There can be several type patterns of settlement depending on the shape. L-shaped, X-shaped, star-shaped, T-shaped, circular. All these are the patterns of settlement. Now, I'll show you an example. Then you will be able to understand. Suppose this is a X-shaped settlement or a star-shaped settlement. I can call it a star-shaped settlement. Now, star shape is the pattern of the settlement. But since all the rural settlements are placed very close to each other, I can consider it as a nucleated settlement also. So, if we consider the types of settlement, it is nucleated. But if we consider the pattern of settlement, then it is X-shaped, or if you can also call it a star-shaped settlement. Right? So, I think I have able to make you understand the difference between types and patterns. Now, whenever you are asked to write an answer on types or patterns of settlement, you get confused and you write both the types and the patterns together. Mind it, settlements can be classified both on the basis of its types and patterns. On the basis of types, we have four types which I have discussed, and again on the basis of patterns, we have several types of settlements, several patterns of settlements which I have already discussed with you. Now I have given you the PPT. It is uploaded in the website. Everything is given there, and you will get the difference between types and patterns of settlement. It's best given in the book of R.Y. Singh. The page numbers I have mentioned it. I have already mentioned it in the PPT which is uploaded in our website. Okay, thank you.